guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I have brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 5A. Here you can see this is a Redmi 5A. Let's check the specification of this ROM. As you can see, this is Redmi 5A. Here you can see this is the Descendant version, Descendant X. This is the Descendant OS for Redmi 5A. Today we will review this ROM. We will check all the features and the books of this ROM. You will get 5 April 2020 security patch Android version 10Q. Kernel pure cap plus kernel is installed in this ROM. As you can see, let's have the features of this ROM. What are the features and the bugs? Selenium status is permissive. Let's check the Wi-Fi. First let's check the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is working perfectly. As you can see, Wi-Fi is already connected. It works perfectly. There is no problem in Wi-Fi, and the hotspot is also working perfectly. As you can see, let me show you that the hotspot works. There is no restart of hotspot. As you can see, it works perfectly. Geo is also working perfectly. I have already tested, so don't worry. And the call is also working. Now let's check the Bluetooth. Here is the Bluetooth. It is already connected, but sometimes it disconnects after first you will connect, it will connect. After a few seconds it will disconnect, then it will automatically connect. After that there is no problem in the Bluetooth. It will not disconnect. It may be in the starting when you pair the device. Battery, let's have the battery performance. Battery performance of this ROM is good. You will get the better backup in this ROM, as you can see. And let's have the display. Here is the display. Brightness level is working perfectly. There is no problem in the brightness level. Dark theme is also available from the status bar. You can enable it from status bar also. Here is the status bar, as you can see. Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth icon and the SIM icon will also come here. And the automatic brightness is also working perfectly. And the night light, let's have the night light turn on now. It works perfectly. Intensity, as you can see, it is very blue. Here you can see intensity is very dark. As you can see, it is purely orange. As you can see, you can adjust it according to your use. It works perfectly, and the adaptive brightness is also working perfectly. Let's check the wallpapers. There are not enough wallpapers in this ROM. As you can see, only one wallpaper is available. Font size, you can adjust the font size. Display size you can adjust it according to your use. It works perfectly. You can increase or decrease it according to your use. As you can see, you can change the dp. First you will get the around 450 dp. You have to change it to 390 dp for better performance, and the for 460 something to 390. Clock saver, here is the clock saver. Thumb UI is available. As you can see, you will change the status bar, and the setting icon is also changed by enabling the thumb UI, and the status bar is one-handed only. You can switch it according to your use. Lock screen display, here is the lock screen display. Always on display is also available. It works perfectly. Show ambient display when charging. If you want to enable when charging only, you can enable it for charging only. If there is no turn off in the always on display, it works perfectly. There is no problem. Double tap to check phone is also working. If the sensor works in your device, it will work perfectly. There is no problem in the sensor. All the sensors are working. Double tap to sleep on the lock screen is also available. Enable clock flow. As you can see, these are all the features of this ROM. You can adjust it according to your use. Asian color Ferrari red is available. As you can see, it will change according to your adjustment. As you can see, font, you can change the font also. Let me change it. As you can see, it was perfectly. There is no problem. Icon shape, tear down, squirrel, rounded, rectangle is also available. Style app is also available here. Customize your style app. Let custom create it. Choose font, you can choose the font. Icon also available. And color, here is the color, and you can choose the primary color also. No primary color available in the dark theme. You have to enable the dark theme to choose the primary color. That will be something gray, pitch black, choco black. And here is the themes. Here is the clock themes. As you can see, grid, wallpaper. And let's check the sound. Here you can see, you will get the sound. The sound is working perfectly. There is no problem, and the sound is enough loud. Touch vibration is working on the hardware buttons. It works perfectly. There is no problem. Swap keys, you can swap the keys. It will not work in the hardware buttons. And there is something problem in the Bluetooth. I am not able to hear the call music in the Bluetooth headset. So Bluetooth is not working in my headphone. Storage 6.56 GB is free, and the game is already installed in this ROM. We will not review the game in this video. Security, let's check the security. How fast is the security? There is no face unlock, so no need to check the security. Smart lock is available, as you can see. OpenGAPS is already installed in this ROM, so no need to flash any OpenGAPS. All the download link will be in the description. You can check the description. To install this ROM, you can check the description. Installation video is same, but you have to replace the file. Here is the language gestures. Here are the 3-button gestures. It will not be enabled. As you can see, you cannot enable the 3-button gesture. Let's check the navigation bar. As you can see, navigation bar home button is working. Now let's check the geo, if it works in this ROM or not. As you can see, geo will not work in this ROM. As you can see, rooted device is detected. I have not rooted my device, it is pre-rooted, so geo application or the bank application will not work. And the safety net is not passed in this ROM. Let me show you that the safety net is not passed. Just wait for a few seconds. As you can see, safety net is failed. Redmi 5A. Launcher, यहाँ पे launcher is also available. You can adjust it according to your use. These all the features of this launcher. As you can see, you can check it according to your use. Device information, let's check the device information. System root access is available. As you can see, Android 10, API level 29, security patch 5 April. Kernel is here, you can see. Root access, yes. Root management app, no apps detected. As you can see, there is no application installed of the root management apps. Permissive Linux. Terrible is supported. Seamless update is not supported in this ROM. Let's check the Antutu benchmark score. What is the score of our Antutu benchmark? So you can subscribe our channel for daily updates. 59,666 is the score. It a little bit low. As you can see, 23,000. And the GPU performance is 1687. Memory, as you can see, but there is no lag in this ROM. We will not feel any lag in this ROM much. As you can see, 4.3 increase in the temperature, 28.3 is the highest. So if you want to install this ROM, you can check the description. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates.